This report provides an in-depth analysis of pendente lite orders within New Jersey family law, which are temporary court directives issued during the pendency of a divorce or other matrimonial action. These orders are crucial for maintaining stability and preserving the financial and personal status quo for families, particularly children, until a final judgment is rendered. The pervasive theme of stability and status quo indicates a foundational principle of New Jersey family law, to mitigate the inherent disruption of divorce on families. The court recognizes that divorce is a profoundly disruptive event, and its role is to minimize negative impacts, especially on vulnerable parties, such as children. This means that pendente lite orders are viewed not merely as administrative stopgaps, but as essential tools for social welfare and continuity, ensuring that basic needs and established living patterns are not drastically altered before a permanent resolution. This judicial philosophy sets a high bar for demonstrating need and ability to pay to justify any departure from the pre-existing living arrangements. This report will explore the various forms of relief available, the judicial process for their determination, the procedural steps for obtaining them, their duration and enforceability, and their significant strategic implications for the overall divorce proceedings. The term pendente lite is a Latin legal phrase meaning pending the proceeding or pending the litigation. In the context of New Jersey family law, it refers to temporary court orders issued while a divorce, dissolution of civil union, termination of domestic partnership, or other matrimonial action is ongoing and before a final judgment is entered. The fundamental purpose of pendente lite orders is to provide interim solutions and maintain stability for the parties and children involved in a case until a permanent resolution can be secured. This often involves preserving the financial and personal status quo that existed during the marriage. The court aims to ensure that essential needs are met, such as keeping the mortgage paid, lights on, and children fed, preventing drastic and immediate shifts in lifestyle during the litigation process. The consistent definition and purpose across multiple legal sources, including law firm websites and court rules, underscore the well-established and non-negotiable nature of this legal concept in New Jersey. Obtaining pendente lite relief in New Jersey can occur through two primary pathways: voluntary agreement between the parties or a formal application to the court. The dual pathways highlight the court's preference for consensual resolutions while providing a robust judicial mechanism for intervention when agreement fails. This also implies a strategic choice for litigants. Pursue negotiation first, but be prepared for litigation. Exploring settlement options for temporary relief can be more efficient and less adversarial. However, the formal motion process is a powerful tool to ensure fairness when cooperation is absent. And the decision to pursue one over the other is a key strategic one, influenced by the relationship dynamics and the urgency of financial needs. Enforceability of pendente lite orders. Pendente lite orders are legally binding and enforceable just like any other court order. New Jersey courts possess various tools to compel compliance if a party fails to uphold the order. While temporary, pendente lite orders carry significant legal weight and can have immediate and severe consequences for noncompliance, underscoring the court's commitment to ensuring interim stability. The enforcement mechanisms available are not minor penalties, they are serious legal consequences, demonstrating that the court treats these temporary orders with the same gravity as final judgments when it comes to compliance. This implies that parties should not underestimate the enforceability of pendente lite orders, as noncompliance is not merely a delay, but a direct challenge to judicial authority, which the court is equipped and willing to address forcefully.